So when I start a new piece, for example, and I look at the score, right, as the music itself, then first of all, there are the notes I have to play, and then there's the rhythm and all these fixed things. There's also something like dynamic, so if I play loud or soft, and all these kind of fixed things which the composer puts in the music to help the musician, like me as a performer, to know what the intention was behind it, right? And that's the thing which I can't change, right? Because me as a performer, I'm only the interpreter. One thing I can change though, and that is the way how I transmit these things. It's a bit like in acting, you know? You have the role, and the role is written down for you in your script. It's like you know what you have to say, you know to whom you have to say it, and you even know the emotional state of your role you're playing. But the way you, as an actor, pronounce, for example, a certain sentence, or if you emphasize the first word or the last word, or these kind of questions, they're up to you, right? And that's the same in music, and that's the same question I have to ask myself. What do I think, what is the primary emotion here, and how do I transmit this to an audience? The question of tempo is a determined question by the composer, right? So they write down, they want to have a break now between two phrases, right? Between two melodies, if you so want. But I do decide how I hold the tension in that pause and how I restart the new phrase, for example. Makes a big difference for the outcome at the end. So I can make this pause, of course, also shorter.